In this video, we will show you how to enable Remote Desktop Windows 11. To enable Remote Desktop Windows 11, in this scenario, on this tutorial, I will using two computers, one virtual machine and the one is my host or my server. And this wallpaper or blue wallpaper is my host or my server, and the second is using virtual machine. I want to try to using virtual machine and enable the remote desktop on there, so I can remote my virtual machine using my host. How to do that? To enable your remote desktop, first I will using maximum view in here. Okay, you can see there. To enable remote desktop on Windows 11, first open settings, okay, on your Windows 11 and select system. On your system, please scroll down and select remote desktop. Okay, to enable your remote desktop, you can just turn on this and click confirm. You can see you can remote desktop using your PC name, and this is your PC name, WD26080. Also, you can using IP address. To check your IP address, you can open the command prompt. Okay, then type ipconfig, and in this case, this is our IP address. And in this scenario, let's try to remote our computer using this method for IP address and the PC name. And the second, let's connect using our host. I will minimize this or let it by default like this to see our PC name and to see our IP address. On my server, on my host, I will open remote desktop connection application, and as you can see there, this is my remote desktop connection, and I already have the computer name, in this case WD26080. And to connect using the name of the computer, we can just click connect and type the password. After we click OK and click yes, okay, this is the remote desktop view. You can see there, this is the remote desktop view. We can, for example, directly close this remote connection. Your remote session will be disconnected, and click OK. And the number second, let's try to connect using IP address. Because we already have connection, the lock screen will enable automatically on our guest. And the second, let's try connect using this IP address. Okay, open remote desktop application again, okay, on our host or on our server here, and let's try connect using this IP address 172. Okay, and they have cache in here, and we can try to connect again. Type the password and hit the enter, and we successfully remote our virtual machine in here. Okay, so if we try to minimize this, let's see, when we disconnect it and we log in again on the virtual machine, the command prompt will restore the window, and there is different for the each session. Okay, you can see here the window is restored. To see your username or your user account, to make the remote desktop, you can find on the control panel. Okay, I will open on the my virtual machine control panel and see your user account in there, and this is our user account. And make sure they have administrator level privilege in here. And that's all tutorial how to enable remote desktop Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.